Hey y'all, it's me, Christina Laster, level 9 local guide on Google Maps, here to share with you another way to get started contributing on Google Maps. All right, so yes, I'm a Google Map millionaire, but I didn't start that way. I just got started very humbly and very simply. I cared about what was happening in the local community and then places that I traveled, and also I had inspiration from Victor Hugo Green Book, so check that out if you don't know about that, on how Black people in particular can travel safely across this country. And so I started to leave information and leave reviews. If anything happened, I would let people know, like, hey, you might want to be careful traveling to this place or that place, or these people weren't too friendly, or maybe these people, really were kind and welcoming. But that's how I earned my millions on Google Maps as a level 9 now, moving into level 10 local guide. So as you can see, we're right here on the Google Maps local guide page. Share your world as a local guide. Get started. You can click that on your phone and it'll get you started. Be part of a global community on Google Maps. So local guides help millions of people worldwide discover new places by sharing local knowledge and experiences, right? I know that people think that the maps are built by someone from Google just flying around looking at land, but no, really understanding what is on the map and where to go and how to get there is built by everyday people like me and you. So everyone can contribute. Tap contribute in Google Maps to get started. So you see the little icon right there. If you were to bring up your Google Map, just like you're looking for directions, but you're going to tap that plus sign right there, and that's how you're going to be able to contribute. Okay, ways to contribute. So one of the ways that I like to contribute is by sharing reviews along with my pictures and videos. I take 30-second or less videos and I add them to the map, right? That way people can not only look at a picture, but get the full view of the location that I'm visiting or shopping at, or, that's rendering me a service. So by sharing reviews, photos, and knowledge on Google Maps, local guides influence how millions of people navigate and explore the world. Edit the map, you can do that. We have the ability to edit if things are wrong, add a photo, write a review, edit the facts, answer and ask questions, add a missing place, which is huge when you have local businesses that are just getting started and they're like, well, how do I add myself to maps? Do I go on Yelp? What do I do? Well, if you find a local guide, or if you're a contributor, then you should ask them to make sure that your place is on the map so people can find it, get some good pictures, some good videos, and make sure all of the details are accurate, right? Because they also have, edit the facts, right? And so I find myself fixing facts or adding local businesses quite frequently because I just happen to be out and I see a business and I'm like, wow, I didn't even see this on the map. And they're like, yeah, we don't know, we got our address registered as our business here, but it's not showing up. And so those are what the things that you can contribute as a local guide, helping people out and making sure information is up to date and accurate. Make an impact on your community. Your contributions inform people about what matters to them. Make it easier for them to find what they need and help support small businesses. Like I said, I just gave you a long example of how you can do that with editing, reviews, pictures, videos, and, fact checking. Okay. Level up, earn points, and unlock rewards. Earn points for your contributions. Collecting points help you reach new levels of the program. Higher levels can unlock special rewards and early access to new Google features. So I like having some of the, early access to new Google features. I know before the Google 7 Pro Pixel came out, I had access to it. And there's other things, right? Different developments in AI that you get access to the higher you go. And so again, I'm a 9 approaching 10, and 10 is the highest. Okay. So connect with a global community. Connect with others on the local guides forum who are passionate about sharing their experiences, knowledge, and new places they discovered. So you can visit, once you become a local guide, that Visit Local Guides Connect, and you're going to connect with worldwide local guides. So I encourage you to become a local guide today. If you have a passion for helping others, making sure your community and small business information is accurate, up to date, and can be found, you should go on ahead, click that Google Maps, search bar, and at the bottom, you'll see that plus sign to contribute. And look, folks, I don't get paid for this, but I just find joy in being able to share the way to travel safely across this nation to people every single day. So every time I go somewhere new, or even if I go somewhere and I haven't been there for quite some time, I'm constantly updating and informing the people, letting the community know what is what. And so I hope to see you and the local guides connect, and I hope you have a fun journey sharing your passion and pictures and reviews and local community businesses. Have a good day.